Hello everyone, Dumelang. Welcome to my channel. My name is Dumi. On today's video, we're going to be installing some cluster lashes or individual lashes, whichever way you want to look at it. And this is how it looks like. I am so happy about it. Strip lashes for me were just a killer. But anyways, without wasting any more time, let's just jump straight into the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to start off by applying mascara onto my lashes. And the mascara that I'm using is my Maximum Definition from Essence. Like, what happened to my... But anyways, I got this at Clicks. What happened to the packaging? It's like a scratch or something. Hey, Whew, I barely have lashes. Well, bottom lashes, that is. And for the top lashes, I'm just gonna apply one coat. Usually I would apply 2 to 3 coats, but we'll be doing extensions today, so there's no need. Then I'm gonna go in with my second coat for my bottom lashes. Just so they're alive, you know? Alrighty. Now I'm going to be taking my cluster lashes, individual lashes. You can get these at Clicks or Discam. I got mine at the pharmacy close by. Ooh, why aren't you opening? Okay, let's take these babies out. Let's take these babies out. So I did use them yesterday. This is what they look like. And I'm going to be using my Kiss lash glue that I got at Clicks as well. So basically what I do to take out these lashes, because they are so sensitive, I just, where that little knob is right there, that's where I pick them out so that it doesn't get damaged. Because wow, these lashes are very sensitive. Okay, so I'm going to be sitting a little bit close so that it's, what I'm doing is more visible. I'm just gonna grab one little lash and then take my glue. Instead of applying the glue at the bottom of the lash, I'm gonna apply it on top, like so, because I'm gonna be sticking it underneath my real lashes. I'm gonna wait for it to be tacky. So we wait for this to be about 20 seconds or 30 seconds. And you will see that it's becoming tacky because the glue looks a little bit like blue. So it's gonna become white and almost transparent. That's when you know that the lash is ready. All right, let's do this. So I'm gonna have to open up my eyes and then I'm gonna place the one lash. I'm not holding this the way. Then I'm gonna apply the lash underneath my lashes and then hold it in place for a few seconds. like so, and then I'm gonna just make sure that it's placed correctly or to my liking. No! We are going to be doing the second lash. Take the glue, place it on top of that little knob. It's not a knob, what is it? You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, because strip lashes for me, they were showing me flames, so this is easier. Oh my goodness, it didn't stick. Okay, so do the same thing on this side. Oh, I'm gonna take this side out. Ugh, I'm so annoyed. Or we're just gonna leave it in. So I did one eye off camera and this is what it looks like. There's still some glue at the bottom, but we are going to fix that. Let us continue doing the other eye. It's so hard to like shoot and try to do this. Yo, it's hard. It's hard, but we are here. We are doing it. We are doing it. Taking one lash at a time and then applying the glue on top of the knot. Hey, I got the word! On top of the knot, waiting for it to become tacky. We're gonna be waiting a few seconds. Let us try this. We're putting it underneath the lashes, underneath my lashes. Please behave and please just behave. Okay, one lash done. On to the second one. This is the hardest video I've ever had to shoot in my entire life. Like, wow. second lash on, third lash on. I'm gonna do the fourth lash, and then afterwards we're just going to fast forward. Okay, I'm gonna fast forward this part and then I'll come back once the lashes are done, honey. Alright, the eyes are done. My camera was not shooting, but I really hope that you guys got the gist of it all. And I'm going to take my mascara and blend the lashes with my mascara so that it doesn't look so crazy. Alright guys, this is the final look. This is how it turned out, and it is easy peasy, much easier than strip lashes according to me, because strip lashes were showing me flames. But this is what it looks like. This is the final product. I'm just gonna look down and then I'm gonna open my eyes again. Like, it doesn't even take that long, hey? It doesn't even take that long, like 30 minutes or so. If you're still new, it might take you a little bit longer, but this is it. This is how it looks like. So if you made it until the end of this video, thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.